Hi everyone, and welcome to our character design course. Whether it's the brave hero of an epic adventure, a quirky sidekick in a lighthearted platformer, or even the mysterious antagonist lurking in the shadows, every character plays a vital role in shaping the player's experience. As character designers, our job goes beyond just making characters look cool. We're here to tell stories, evoke emotions, and create memorable connections between players and the game world. A well-designed character isn't just visually appealing, it carries purpose, fits seamlessly into the game's narrative, and contributes to gameplay mechanics. But character design isn't exclusive to video games. It's a universal art that spans across animation, comics, branding, mascots, and more. And while each medium has its own unique requirements, the core principles of character design remain consistent. Silhouette, personality, color theory, and functionality all play a key role in creating compelling designs. In this course, we'll focus specifically on character design for video games, but we'll also take little peeks into how these principles translate into other areas. This way, you'll walk away with a well-rounded understanding of the character design craft. In the first module, we'll cover some foundational concepts, things like shape language, visual storytelling, and how to design characters that align with gameplay goals. Then, in the following weeks, we'll dive into real-world examples from professional designers across different fields. You'll get to see their creative processes in action, hear their thoughts, and learn how they bring their unique characters to life. Oh, and at the end of each session, they'll how these principles translate into other areas. This way, you'll walk away with a well-rounded understanding of the character design craft. There'll be a practical assignment waiting for you. It's your chance to apply what you've learned, experiment, and start building your own character portfolio. I'm really excited to start this journey with you. I can't wait to see the incredible characters you'll create. All right then, let's jump in.